Hi, my name is Grant Shipman. I'm the founder and a teacher in the Living Smith team. Living Smith teaches the gold standard in co-living property management and investing. The gold standard is powerfully important because if you are not better than $226 million already invested into the co-living space, and all those companies have become bankrupt because they didn't know how to manage, right? Unless you're better than them, you need to listen up. You need to learn the gold standard of co-living. This is we're covering storage space. So in co-living, each house member, a renter is a house member. We also use the term resident, but each house member has their own private bedroom, right? However, most people do not want to store everything they have in their bedroom. Most people are going to have 2 to 4 boxes of stuff. It might be some keepsakes, some old files, something like this. You want to provide in your house space to store that so they don't put it in their room and it builds clutter. It takes up clutter. They don't want to live in a room with storage boxes in it. They don't want to have to shove it underneath their bed. So when you pick out a house, make sure there is space. Usually this means it's in the garage. It might be in a bigger laundry room, but there needs to be space where we get a 5-shelf, heavy-duty, standalone shelf, right? Now, if the house you buy happens to have built-in shelves, cool, factor those in. But we use a standalone 5-shelf where each shelf can have a good-sized cardboard box or Rubbermaid put on it, and each house member gets 2 shelves. So each house member can put anything on those shelves, and it's their private shelves. They don't have to label the things on their shelves. Their shelf is labeled with their name, and they can put anything on that. That's their private area. If anybody removes something from that shelf, that's called theft. However, the households, if you're following the gold standard in property management, the households take great pride in themselves, and there would never be theft. So in your co-living house, do you want additional storage space for your renters? Yes. You want a shelf that they can put at least 2 good-sized boxes on, and you want to have each one have 2 shelves. If there's more storage space, great. If somebody has more than that, then they're a normal human and they're just going to rent some storage space at a storage locker, something off-site. That's not a problem. But for everybody, you want to provide the storage space so they have a little bit extra room besides what's in their private bedroom. Follow this and you're that much closer to the gold standard for co-living property management. Go live your co-living daydreams.